in mind the infrastructure, the growth, the future connectivity, the kind of people in this area, and the kind of people who are coming into this area because of the fact they cannot get similar sized apartments or in the same price.
If the civic bodies pay more attention to the upkeep, experts say it would not be a letdown to those contemplating an investment here.
There are some destinations where real estate gets saturated over a period of time, but that's not the case with Oshiwara's micro market. Experts say, be it for retail, commercial or residential, the market still has an appetite just as yet. With camera person Rakesh Solanki, Ashish Bhatia for Indie TV.
We've got time to take one more question. Santosh Mishra on the phone line with us. Santosh, hi, go ahead.
Hi, good evening. This is Santosh Mishra from Thane, Kishannagar. First of all, very thankful to yourself for considering my question. And I'm a regular viewer of this show. My question is that my requirement is of 1 BHK and my budget is around 20 lakhs. I have been searching lots of places between Thane and Badlapur, but found only 2 places like Kharbao and Badlapur. But I'm confused between these 2 places. So kindly suggest me the proper property for the better investment in the future.
Which one do you think he should go for?
Badlapur is the micro market that we think that you should consider.
Okay.
It's a very affordable micro market. The weighted average price is around 3,000 rupees a square foot. Lot of choices. If you look at the supply in the market, it's quite a lot, 141 projects. Usually you don't have such high number of projects in affordable markets like this. Although inventory overhang is now a cause of concern. It's about 26 months.
Yes.
Because of this oversupply, and if you look at the availability, it is 70% of the total supply still available. But the prices continue to appreciate, 35% price appreciation because of the low base that it is set up. And infrastructure in Badlapur is better compared to Ambernath and Titwala region. So that's why we are recommending this as such. It's well connected to Mumbai through the suburbs railway network. All the recommended projects are from reputed developers of that region. Whether you look at Panvelkar Bhumi Phase 2, lower than the weighted average price of at 2850. This project has at that price point amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, a good park, skating tracks, which is very good for a project with a price like that. Tharwani Aranya by Tharwani Realty. This project is available directly with the developer. It's a township project with all amenities, with more than 50 internal and external amenities is what the developer is saying, and he's delivered 2 projects already in Navi Mumbai. Marathon Nagari NX in Badlapur. This is 3240 rupees a square foot. Location of the project is pretty decent and is spread across about 6 acres of land, although it's the most expensive of the 3 projects because of the location.
Alright, so we like Badlapur and we suggest, Satoshi, that you look at any of these 3 projects. It's a good affordable market in Thane district, and we hope that you like one of it and go for it. So that's Thane and the rest of Mumbai.